Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut Pro without a invite friends or joining Pro, of course, or even without crack. You don't have to crack this application. For example, you can download the stock material, the Pro one, for example, to practice. This is the Pro video from library. So to enjoy this Pro and also Pro animation, for example, here you can make it full screen and record the video with your laptop recorder or PC recorder software. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click this video. Thanks button below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.